Glumac works with sustainable buildings that will be able to withstand major events as well as be green and reduce the amount of energy consumption.
The P Street project is a design-build project with Department of General Services. It's an 800,000 square foot high-rise project in downtown Sacramento, and it's a net zero, super sustainable project with a strict EUI target. We partnered with Turner, Southland, Redwood, and Intect Mechanical on the project.
By using BIM 360 as a platform, it gives design teams and contractors a chance to work together and focus on what it is that they're good at.
Anytime you can centralize data for a project of this size, it has multiple players involved. It's really improving everyone's efficiencies. It incentivizes the process for the architect and the general contractor to put together the best value for the project.
It's hard to have impact without collaboration. Being able to communicate ideas and values to other people that might not understand the impact of doing something a little bit different. And if you can't do that early on, it likely won't make it into a project. So we need a way to communicate that to each other.
Working in the same model with the design team has been super beneficial from a lot of perspectives. A lot of that work sharing process can happen now within minutes or hours using the Revit Cloud work sharing capabilities.
We don't have to do uploads and downloads anymore because on BIM 360 Design, all of the models are in one centralized location and everyone has access to those models at all times.
We don't have to worry about network security, giving access to other projects because we're able to host it elsewhere and not on our own company servers, but we're able to use the same files across different firms. And this is a heightened level of trust that the industry is begging for.
BIM 360 Design has helped us as a team to work more globally across our entire company so that we are able to leverage where we have manpower available to work on a job. This has helped us to not only reduce our carbon footprint by not having to fly to various locations, but it's also increased our efficiencies for the end user in that we can actually cross time zones.
So you avoid a lot of waste. It's hundreds of thousands of dollars, but more importantly than the dollar figure is the schedule and the time we were able to get to an approved permit, which is also at the same time an approved shop drawing.
If we had to do it in the old way of just relying on email or in-person meetings, there'd be no way to do what we're really accomplishing here.
The timetables on projects are getting smaller and smaller, and a product like BIM 360 Design makes firms be able to meet the deadlines of today's environment.